One of the things we value is our cleanliness. Look at our shop. You know, this isn't the cleanest process because there's a lot of cutting oil and a lot of chips, but we strive to make sure our environment is the cleanest it can be, and a clean environment makes it safer for our employees. We have a safer environment, we have very few accidents, higher productivity from our employees. I mean, look at the place. Sure, we can make a good part, but what good is it if it's not chip-free and covered in oil?
We have a piece of equipment that sets us apart from other places, the Durr Part Washing Machine.
It'll wash the parts, dry the parts, and apply rust preventative so the parts don't rust.
A lot of the companies don't use the Durr Part Washing Machine where the part comes out as clean as it gets here. If you're using like a vapor degreaser or trichloroethylene or any of those substances, they're really kind of harmful to the environment. And this thing's not harmful to the environment, so it really helps.
Our job is to make your part to the highest quality at the lowest cost.